Hey, welcome back to another video from BMR Parts and Marine. What we have for sale today is a 1998 Mercury 125 horse. This is a 4-cylinder, 2-stroke. Came back at 125 PSI on all 4 cylinders. Lower unit pressure tested good. This one's got new spark plugs, new impeller, fuel filter cleaned, fuel system gone through, and new lower unit lube. Go ahead and fire this one up here. I do have to turn the fan on, it gets a little smoky. We are running a winter mix, so it's got a little more additives in it, causes it to smoke a little bit more. Go ahead and put it forward. It is going to cavitate in our tank. It does not have enough back pressure for this engine. I think this tank's supposed to be like 60 horsepower max, and we put 250s in it. Put it in the reverse here. Back to neutral. Go ahead and shut it off. Fire it back up. Back to neutral. Shut it off. Turn this fan off here quick. If you're interested in it, you can give us a call at 952-894-4888, or you can email sales@bmr1.com. Thank you and have a great day.